Good afternoon. It's October 11th today. It's a Monday. It's Indigenous Peoples Day. I've spent the morning just cleaning up around the house a little bit. I stayed up pretty late last night working. Let me show you what I've been doing. For starters, I've cleared up my fastener table. You can see I've got all my finishing nails in a nice row, small to big. Same thing for box nails, big to small, a bunch of different sizes. I've got my box of nail gun nails for framing, a few roofing nails, my concrete nails, a bunch of different sizes, and then all my construction screws, a few deck screws going again from small to big. I ran out of 3 inchers, picked up a few, so got some of those and just some standard Phillips heads. I haven't used too many of these because I've really been a fan of these T-Star screws. They go so much better than a Phillips. Really a fan. 12th of October. It's a cold one today. I'm running some branch circuits. Let me show you. I'm starting with some branch circuits downstairs today. This hole goes through to my main load center outside. And so it is only for the circuits in the basement because it'll provide easy access down there. This will be covered with spray foam soon enough, but at least for rough-in inspection and any debugging while I'm roughing in, I'm labeling everything very clearly. It's also labeled outside at the load center side, so it's easy to see no matter where you are exactly what circuit it is. I also installed these couple of 2x4s just to provide some secure nailing anchors to keep my wires out of the way.